G'day, welcome back to the channel. I'm Jason, I'm a content creator, and today I just got a really short and quick video on showing how you can effectively start remarketing and repurposing some content. Today I'm going to show you how I did that with a couple of items in my digital toolkit with kit.co, a website that allows you to essentially put together like a shopping list of items that you can use as affiliate marketing. Say a list of tools that you use, that if you're a photographer, in my case it's a set of digital suite of tools that I show other people how to use for what they can for their apps, and also creating that into a very short GIF and using Lumen 5 to add to set the profile of the video that I can have in the particular size that I want, as well as to add some music. Now all this is done in a very short period of time, just to create a 10-15 second GIF. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying the content. Hit the notification button, and as well, please share this with your friends. Welcome to kit.co. Here's a kit that I've made of the Ultimate Bloggers Toolkit, and on here I've got a list which have affiliate links of products for various physical and digital items that are available on the internet. Now if you're not familiar with kit.co, it's basically a link building service that allows you to highlight, based on a particular theme, items that interest you that you can share on various platforms to show and highlight to others about some of your favorite stuff. So for example, here I've got the Ultimate Bloggers Toolkit, and in this kit I talk about how people can start with a laptop and then slowly start building on other social and other platforms that they can use for building their kit if they want to be a blogger. So ultimately, one way we can share this is as a GIF. Now within kit.co, to create a GIF, all you need to do is go to the top of your kit where you want to edit, and then down here on the right hand side you'll see various ways that you can share your kit. Now one of them is as a GIF. So all you need to do is simply click on the GIF button, and it comes up. You've got other options that you can use for sharing your kit, but we're going to stick here with a GIF as you've just seen, and all you need to do from there is click on download GIF, and then once that file is downloaded you can then work on that file, which I'll show you again when we open up and use Lumen 5. Okay, stay watching and I'll show you how we do that process next. Okay, welcome back, and here's the next section. We've created our gif.co, and our next part of the process is logging into your Lumen 5 account. That's lumen5.com. Set up an account if you haven't already. First aspect is you're presented with this screen. So what we're going to do here is we're going to upload our own media, which is simply that GIF that we created out of kit.co before. You can drag and drop files, which I want to do here. Now here's our GIF that we've downloaded from kit.co. I'll just move that to one side to simply drag and drop. We can add end credits if we wanted to, or some attributions to the file. This will appear at the end of your video. We will not worry about that for now. We'll just simply have no credits and click continue. Now you get to choose a format that you want your final resolution of video to become. So any of these are the majority of the social media platforms that you may use, or you can choose a custom size, and you can also change the aspect ratio and the time frames that you want. So we'll just go with a custom landscape. something that might be useful for YouTube or another platform like that. Now, if we were to add some text and some additional mini transition screens with video, we would select something here, but we're just purely going to work with the GIF at the moment, so we will just simply skip this process. This will take a moment for it to have the media upload. Once it's uploaded, you can edit and do some other changes to your landscape here, or we can also see what music that we have as well. So here it's already pre-formatted what it thinks is best for having a stream of music on here, and we'll just play preview. So here we just got to make the item a little bit longer to be able to handle the amount of time that the GIF transition. So once we've done that, we simply click publish, and after a few minutes the final video will be rendered, and we'll see that at the end of this video. Once that final video render has completed, I'll show you the finished product.